Hey everybody, this is Peter Palmiotti, and this is Fun with Computers. So, today I'm taking the basics that I've been playing with on the laptop I borrowed and putting them onto my new PC, which isn't as powerful as my old PC, but that needs repairs. The point of all this, okay, so I am borrowing this laptop, but I'm going to give this one back to my friend Lisa and borrow her older one. Anyway, it's a functioning laptop while I get this new one set up and then really dig into my old one, the Beast, to see if I could get it functioning. Then I'll have two PCs, and the idea is that I'll never not have a functioning PC, because I need to function at all times. So while I'm working on all of that, I got internet coming third time after weeks of freaking waiting for them to ship me a modem, and I was going to do it myself, but then I have them do a house call, and it appears we need the coaxial cable changed up, and then they need permission to get into other people's apartments, and yada yada yada. Oh man, so many headaches around all this, and my PC going down did not help things. And then me struggling around with laptops, which they function, but I'm squinting at the screen, and yeah, I'm much happier with a bigger screen. Alright, so my 100 days will be delayed. Sorry about that. This will help me greatly going forward. And yes, it's kind of like it's cheaper to get this one fixed and not buy a new one. But I had some credit available to me the years of not being aware of it. So that's why I bought this one. It's pretty much a mini version of that. Not as slick, not as cool, but you know, if I can get this bad boy functioning, and this will play as my backup, and I'll also be getting thumbnails of storage. I don't know, some kind of big way of storing things up, and so we can have the Batman headquarters going on. Yeah, so As Comics is the future, and I need to get my shit together. Alright, love you all. I'll be back again as soon as possible. If I do get internet today, then I should be able to fully stream with this all set up. Oh, here's a question for you kids. Okay, so here's my Facebook. Here's the colors on my new screen, and here's the colors of my laptop. Notice the difference? Yeah. I hope this one's the right colors. This one looks a little brighter and not as cool. Anyway. Yeah, I hate having different screens and not being able to tell what's the actual colors. I always thought it was this. That's sort of a new design, fun thing I'm using. Anywho, yeah, let me set up this bad boy. Get all my basic sites in a row and over there, and programs added, and so I could fully function on this. Give that one back. Get back the old one, which sort of will be a backup. It's just stuff on this one, and there's a lot more stuff on the other laptop that I've added to since, well, even while I was using this one, that I'll be adding to this, and I'll never have the problem of, yeah, being fully 100% down going forward. At least that's the hope, that's the plan. All right, talk to you again soon. Bye.